And as spiritual beings, we have a connection with the Supreme Spirit. And when we begin cultivating and awakening that relationship, then we begin to experience a different type of fulfillment that none of the material things in this world gave us. If you go into the petrol station and you're really hungry, and you wind down the window and you tell the attendant, "Can you give me some food?" and they keep pumping your car with petrol, you'll say, "Thanks for the fuel, but can you feed me?" Because no matter how much fuel you put in the car, it won't satisfy your hunger. And therefore you find that the most rich, the famous, the people who have attained all material things that everyone else searches for are often the ones who are the most dissatisfied, the most unhappy. Because now, not only have they realized that these material things don't bring them happiness, they have nowhere else to go, nothing else to search for, because they have no other alternative. So this is life. Life, the purpose of life is to find happiness. And the way by which we can find happiness is by first understanding who we are. People don't know who they are. And therefore this is the very, very first step that a spiritualist takes. They take the time, they take the energy to actually deeply understand who they are.